Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is another plan with me in my fun planner, my memory planner. I am loving this planner. It is from Michaels. It is their Recollections 18-month planner. This one has a denim-like cover, a gold coil, and the layout is neutral as neutral can get. I love it. So this starts in July, goes all the way to December of 2020. Also has some notes pages, has some stickers in the front, this pouch in the front, which I love as well. Now that I have my Cricut, I can put my name here, so I'm excited to do that. Put a little cute vinyl. But today we are going to be doing a plan with me with BirchandBirdee. This is one of her kits. I will put the name of it on the screen. And I actually used a BirchandBirdee kit in this spread, which is super cute. So when it comes to me planning in my fun planner, I plan ahead of time. I just put down the stickers, and then for that week, I can go in and add in whatever it is that I want. But planning ahead of time, it's like when I get my Happy Mail, I don't have to wait. I put the stickers down, and voila. So let's go ahead and get started. We have some full boxes here. We have these date covers. So let's go ahead and do the date covers first. Let's try to do something in order, because I usually don't. But we're going to do something in order today. All right. So go ahead and put those down. Pretty good with my stickers lately. It's just like this form of planning is just so nostalgic for me. I've like pretty much gotten rid of 90% of my sticker stash thanks to all of you that purchased in my D-stash sale. I thank you guys so much. I still have some items available and some other goodies for you guys to check out. My Etsy shop is Chaotic Critic. You can find it in the description box. But getting rid of my sticker stash, it just opened my eyes to so many more shops. But also, it's just that my style is different now. And I prefer things that are more neutral and muted. Some stuff I don't mind the color, but all my stickers being colorful is just not what I'm going for at the moment. All right, she also sent this one with the kit, trying to decide which one I want to use. Well, this full one here is going to go over here on the weekend. But now I'm thinking I should probably put these little, after planning my last spread, I kind of learned how this sticker kit works. So I think I'm going to do the washi now. And this is like stacked washi, so I'm actually going to put it on top of each other. This one is so pretty. I love this. And I actually have some other stickers that I can pull in from the Two Little Bees collab that was done, that I shared in a haul. And actually, ooh, that's not going to work. That's too. Oh, and these stickers pull up so nicely. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then next up, we have this side. And I'm just going to do the bottom one first. and then the top. So boom, super cute. Then there's these. I think I want to do something going across the top. Just not sure what I want to do. What's interesting about these though is that they're all different sizes. So the strips are not all the same size, which I would prefer. But we're going to make do with what we have. So this one, I'm just going to gently place down over that. That is not straight. So what we're going to have to do, I'm going to have to figure those out. All right, so I put the washi down. Still undecided on how I'm going to use these. Just may throw those in whenever. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this here like so. I just love how forgiving this sticker paper is as I'm trying to lay down my stickers as evenly as possible. And then we're gonna do the other side. It's not really connected, so I'm gonna do something a little bit different and use 2 of these strips here because I want them to be connected. So we'll do that. Come on now. There we go. We could put that there. It's not even like fully over, it's just a little bit. Go ahead and turn it. Perfect. So we'll do that. And then we will put her over here in the corner. Wait, is this is the first week of August. So this week of August is going to be fun as well as this one. Have some things going on there. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and just play around with the position of the boxes. Put one there. And then, so when I get my nails done, just haven't really decided what it is that I want yet. So I haven't even bothered really looking into that. But yes, I do need them done. Okay, and then we're going to do this down here. Yeah, we'll do this here, and then I'll take one of those little things and figure it out. Actually might want to put this higher. I don't know yet. So we'll like this. Actually, we'll just put it here. Why not? There we go. And now on the other side, we did did that. We will do her down here. And then we'll do this one up here. And then the other two boxes are good to go with the double box there. Talk about coming together. I love it. So this one, because I've already started using it in this row, I'm going to go ahead and just fill in the blanks with this one. And these are a little bit thicker, so I'm actually going to put them like in the middle instead of directly on it. It's still going to cover it either way, but that's that. And then down here, we're going to go with, we're going to do the brick. Let's see how the brick looks. Okay, brick. Here's a little some extra. Oh, wait, did I not line this up right? Could be me. Could be me and wide short it was. Okay, put that there. Again, me making things shorter. All right, and then the last two over here. Clearly, I am like having trouble lining that up. All right, just fix this one. Alrighty. So that's that, and then we still have this. We have some left, and then I also have these boxes here, which if I ever wanted to do another spread, I could. Well, not a complete spread, but if I really want to pop these in, but this is fine. I might use those somewhere else. Okay, so what do we have here? I'm going to put here, plan next week. We'll go ahead and pop that sticker in there. And then working, honey, of course, Monday through Fridays. So we're gonna just put, actually, I'm gonna use one of these because I never do. And I'm just gonna put work. I guess I'll do it every two. So Monday, then we'll put one here. So that's cute. Can I rub that away? And I did. All right. So boom, I use that. And then there's nothing here that I want to use. All right. Now for the extra, well, the stuff that I had in this one, I think these boxes will actually work here because it's very neutral. All right, so we'll put one on Monday, and I just lay these boxes down. However, it's no big deal. So we'll do that. put this one here. Put another one up here. And this sampler is no longer available, but it is from Two Little Bees if you're interested in checking out her shop. That one I won't use, but I will use this one. And I'll leave it. I'll add in these flags as well. Oh, there were also some flags in this one that I can add in too. But this is the fun part, to pull in different stickers. I'm also going to go ahead and pull in this laptop to put in my little fake work tracker over here, because again, I use this as a fun planner, so I just add in stickers. So we're gonna put those there. That's cute. And we'll put this one here. And we'll go ahead and put this one. Actually, I'm going to use a different color over here just to add something a little bit darker. And then I'll use this one. And then I'll go ahead and put this one over here. And then where I have this plan next week, I'm going to use this last flag, pull this up, and then just layer it. So that's a quick little something something, and I'll probably be layering stickers over this as I rip that. Oh, didn't mean to do that. I'll just connect it back together. Leave it to me to rip a sticker. And then just trying to see if there's any more from here that I want to add, and there's not. But actually, I'm going to put this beaded. I ripped another sticker. I'm just not having any luck with that. I'm going to put this one over here. That'd be the change. Still works. All right. So that is it for this spread using the kit from BirchandBirdee as well as some stickers from Two Little Bees. I'll have both shops linked below, as well as this kit, and then also the link to the previous one that I did. Super cute. So love that. That is all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment section. Let me know if you guys are doing any decorative planning. I find it so therapeutic. I love it. And again, planning ahead of time, and I just do whatever. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to related videos, products featured, and of course the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. I appreciate you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.